Hi there, I'm Adina from Canaweld, and today I'll be going over the MIG MMA 201 welder. I'll be showing you everything that's included in the package as well as going over some of the settings. The MIG MMA 201 welder is a 200 amp single phase 240 volt machine. It's capable of MIG and stick welding. You can run 023 to 045 wire or up to 3/16 rods with a very stable arc. It can also weld up to 3/8 aluminum with our optional spool gun. This machine has a duty cycle of 35% at 200 amps, which is actually quite high when you compare them to similar machines on the market. Now let's go over what's included with your machine. The package comes with one 200 amp 10-foot MIG gun, a set of consumables, drive rolls, an electrode holder, ground clamp, single stage regulator, and gas hose. Now let's go over some of the settings. Here you'll see two modes. The first one is MIG mode, where you'll have access to adjust your voltage and your wire feed speed. When you switch it into stick mode for stick welding, you'll have access to your amperage adjustment. All Canaweld machines are manufactured in Canada and come with a 3-year warranty. There you have it, an overview of the MIG MMA 201 welder. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Make sure to follow us on social media, which you will also find linked in the description below. My name's Adina, thanks so much for watching.